Y'all listen, I already know I'm looking super rough. But I won't be for long, because after being asked over 100 times, I'm not only gonna be going through my new perfect curl routine, but I will finally be going in depth on my haircut. I'm talking everything from what to ask for, the length I get to achieve my style, and I even sit down with my barber so he himself can give you all the secret sauce. So if this curly style is one you're wanting to achieve, you won't want to miss a single second, because this is likely the first and only time I will be giving away this many secrets. Anyways, before we get into the cut, I do want to show you my hair at the moment so you can see what this haircut will grow into. I haven't gotten a cut in close to 2 months, and currently my hair is about 7.5 inches in the front area. My barber does layer my curls because my pattern is all over the place, so I'm sure different areas on my head vary in length. As for my current wash cycle, I'm still shampooing 2 to 3 times a week, using conditioner 4 to 5 times, and my favorite combo is the Curl Fresh line from AG Care. As for styling, I do talk about that after my cut, so let's not waste any more time and get right into the haircut.
What we do for his haircut, we basically give him like a nice tapered hairline in the front, give him a mid to low taper on the side. I like to give it like a burst effect just so it keeps the corners a little bit darker. Around the ear, I kind of clip up his hair and section it just a little bit so it gives it a little bit of a lineup around the ear. Go about a low taper on the back around here, just to give it a nice effect for when you line it up around the ear, to give it a burst effect. And then for the top, I like to give it a layered trim, just so it's like a little bit shorter in the front, but a little bit longer in the back as well, so it gives nice structure to his face. Also gives it a lot of room for when he likes to grow it out, so that way it don't look too long everywhere. And yeah, that's basically it for the cut.
Damn near down to like my chin. This is usually when we cut it. We always come around this length and like
100%.
Probably get it to my nose.
After that, looks real good after, bro's all set. Y'all see him in the videos, man.
Yeah,
He be clean. But yeah, let's get to it.
Let's get saucy.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
Bro, look at this. My boy really tries doing his taper. Hey, I give him all respect.
Bro, that was a lazy one. I was just trying to get I actually didn't even like use guards, nothing. I was just trying to get the hair from right in my ear.
Yeah, you know your barber got a cap on you. You know?
Not facts though. He's about to fix me up.
Yeah. Usually like to keep the beard a little bit higher too.
Usually what looks best is when it's like light on the top and then it comes thicker towards the chin.
Like hug it to the face a little bit longer in the chin. Literally. Give it structure.
In the next few minutes, me and my barber talk about how we got started with content creation and cutting hair. So if you don't care about that and just want to know about my hair routine, go ahead and skip to about 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Basically, how I started barbering, I started with these clippers that I got gifted to me from my cousin. Bro, keep in mind these clippers were dog doodle, bro. Like, they were like a Con Air or something like that.
Oh, yeah, okay.
My boy actually got a messed up haircut, and he was like, yo, you want to try to fix up my hair and stuff? I'm like, bro, I've never even picked up a pair of clippers in my life. I used to get haircuts every week, so I kind of know what a good haircut looks like, you know? I started cutting his hair on his front porch. After that,
on the porch is crazy.
The front porch of his mom's crib too, on top. I had a little bald spot at the back, but the fade all around, it was pretty good. You know what I'm saying?
Did you get a clip of it?
Yeah, I got a clip. I'll send you that for sure.
Right.
More I love it, bro. I started from the ground bottom with this stuff, and you know, I just stayed down and true to myself. And I knew with time, like everything was gonna fall in line, just simply because I love doing it. You know what I'm saying?
My camera for high school mixtapes, like my basketball mixtapes. It wasn't for nothing besides that.
Right.
And my friend just so happened to he was posting pictures that he was taking off his camera. We would just link every few months trying to kind of just teaching me how to use the camera, right? Learn the settings. And I just started bringing my camera everywhere, kind of just trying to document literally everything. Remember, I brought it to this pop-up, made a short little promo video for me. After that, people started hitting me up like, yo, how much do you charge?
No way.
Charge? Yeah, I was like, bro, I've never charged ever.
Damn. So, yo, one thing is, did you have like one person you were super inspired off of YouTube?
Never one. It was always like 5 or 6.
5 or 6? Okay.
I was a YouTube guy though. I had a Minecraft channel when I was like 12.
Oh, okay, that's hard.
And nobody knew about it.
That's how you know you're gonna low-key be a future.
Which, by the way, it was my first time saying it on camera. I
Say a word.
just wanted to be a YouTuber, bro. It had nothing to do with what it was I was making. I just wanted to make content.
You just love the fact of having the camera and being able to film.
Like I liked Chris Move. You remember 2K?
Chris Move?
Then I liked the Phase guys too. Then we just got one last step to it really, which is this long ass hair. Bro, I'm gonna make sure to go straight home. And by that I mean stop at every store I can, bro. Go to the grocery store. Dog, I haven't been to a library in years. I'm about to stop by at the library.
Pulling out to the library.
And I got this other girl, her name's another girl I hit up content. I feel like you wouldn't know her, but maybe you do. This is you don't know her. You know her?
Oh, you did it?
This nigga did it? Yo, I'm not, hey, it's content vibes, brother, just know.
If you know, you know though.
So I'm back at home and my hair has dried. This is my hair with no products, so it doesn't look the best that it can, but this is basically what my natural hair usually looks like. Right now, what I wanna do is go ahead and just go through a few products that I would use to refresh my curls. First, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this up with some water because you know that's step number one. Pat it down so it's not super damp or dripping or anything. The first of 2 new products that I got sent out. I usually use the olive oil Hold and Shine Mousse by ORS, but HairCurly did just send out this extra firm curl retention mousse gel, and I've already used this product twice. And it honestly hits better than the other mousse. Obviously, it's more expensive, but realistically with HairCurly, they're all natural, only vegan, so the ingredients are a lot more high-end in these products, so it makes sense that it's gonna run you a little bit more money. Look at that nice little firm gel. It's so nice and foamy. It just makes sense to overcake it with products. That's how it gets all sticky and hard. You really just don't want that. Now, the second and final product that I wanna go ahead and throw in my hair, which is this coconut milk conditioning spray. And this is kind of good if you don't wanna do like a full shampoo and conditioner. Not too much, but just enough to go ahead and coat all that hair. And of course, like I've told you guys in like a bunch of previous videos, I use a hair tie or a hairband. I don't like any of these products really touching my skin. Even though the ingredients are really good, hair products and skin really just don't mesh too well. Do be aware you don't want to let it dry fully because then your hair will kind of just dry, sticking out. Now, usually what I would do at this point of the video is just go ahead and flash to when my hair is fully ready. But I have been getting a bunch of questions in the comments as well as in my DMs that I haven't really been able to get to. I want to spend the next minute or two doing a really quick rapid fire Q&A while my hair dries. From Simeon, the reason for that is because mousse is not really a all-day product. But realistically, you shouldn't be using it every day. If you do want a more everyday type styling product, I would kind of go for like a curl cream. Those products, although do take a little bit longer to dry, will give you a lot more moisture and will last a lot longer throughout the day. Tony Mercado, I honestly don't use it too much anymore, mostly because I just got a new product. Realistically, I only really use the mousse for quick styling. So it's like if it's in the morning and I'm in a rush, I'm usually using it maybe once a week. But I would say if you're using it as like your sole product, I wouldn't use it more than 3 times a week. The final question, my favorite products up until this point have been Aunt Jackie's Curl Allah for curl cream. Really like the ORS mousse, but now after using the HairCurly, although it is a little bit more expensive, I would, if you like mousse, I would say maybe get this extra firm curl retention mousse gel. If you guys are looking for some great products, I do have another video where I posted like the best and worst products for curly hair, and I also do have everything tagged in my Amazon storefront down below. Let's go ahead and stop plugging that. I think it's time to finally take my hair out of the headband and show y'all the final reveal. I'll do it off camera, so I'll step back in. This is the final result of my haircut, fully styled and dried. And as you can see, these new products really have my curls looking insane. Shout out to my barber Chi because he went absolutely crazy on the fade as well as the trim. I usually don't have fat curly ringlets like this unless I go through and finger curl my hair. So as you can see, these products really do work their magic. Also, I'm curious to know what you guys think of my cut in the comments below. If you enjoyed and want to see more content from me, make sure to subscribe and check out this hair playlist here where I have everything from my hair routine to great products for curly hair and even the best hairstyles that you can have in 2023. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. As always, make sure to have a good day. Peace.